In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz News. Start by opening your browser and heading to finviz.com. The desktop version is recommended because the layout gives you more room to scan headlines and use filters without constant scrolling. Once the site loads, look at the top menu and click the News tab. This takes you to the main news hub, where Finviz aggregates headlines from a wide range of financial publishers. On this page, you'll see the latest market news listed in chronological order, with the most recent items at the top. Each entry typically shows the headline, the source, and the time it was published. Think of this feed as a real-time stream that helps you keep a pulse on what's moving markets. Take a moment to scroll and notice the cadence of updates. During active trading hours, new items can appear quickly. Depending on the layout you see, you may have options to filter or select specific news types. Sometimes there are categories for things like stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. Use these when you want to narrow your focus. For example, if you're only tracking broad market funds, filtering out individual stock headlines can make the feed easier to digest. Keep in mind that available filters can vary, so don't worry if you don't see every category at all times. When a headline catches your eye, hover over it if a preview is available to get a quick sense of the article. When you're ready to dive in, click the headline to open the original story on the publisher's site. A helpful tip is to open articles in a new tab so you can keep your place in the Finviz feed. As you read, pay attention to the source and timestamp, and consider cross-checking key claims with another reputable outlet if the information could impact a trading decision. If you want news on a specific company, use the search bar on Finviz to enter a ticker symbol. This takes you to that stock's quote page. Scroll to the news section there to see headlines tailored to that company, again sorted by time. This view is great for quickly understanding what's driving a particular move, whether it's earnings, guidance changes, analyst notes, or sector-wide developments. Skim a few different sources to get a balanced picture, and note how recent the items are so you can separate fresh catalysts from older context. That's it. With the main news tab for a market-wide view and the ticker pages for company-specific updates, Finviz makes it easy to stay informed and move efficiently from headline to insight